Greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to you wonderful souls. Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm so excited. Today and yesterday we made a little bit of a pump in the market, which was absolutely phenomenal. So I hope you guys are having so much fun. One subscriber away from 500. Who else is going to be smashing that subscription bell? Thank you for being here with me, guys. You know, at the end of the day, I am so excited to be here because I share cool content with you guys and I know that you guys are enjoying it. So thank you to the community for letting me know. I do appreciate that greatly. You guys are always rocking this show, so thank you for being here. Okay, guys, you guys know that I showed you a few trades this week, and we'll maybe have a look at a few more in a couple of videos later. But today I've got a very, very crazy busy day, so I'm going to get straight to the point on this video. So let's not waste any time at all. Link down below for Bybit so that you guys can get into some trades with me a little bit later. We are looking very bullish, but remember we are at a level of resistance. But momentum is upwards. It isn't downwards. So the point is that we could essentially in some charts, and I'm going to show you in a chart later on Bitcoin on another video. So make sure to hit that notification bell so that you know when I release videos just like this for you. We will be releasing a video on when the cycles happen and what to expect from Bitcoin coming next, and hopefully by more or less which date. Not accurate, you know, nobody's a genie in a bottle. So let's go and see what happens here, guys. Now, yesterday I did some cool videos. Bitcoin is pumping, 2 possible trades and 4 altcoins. And last night I did a video for you guys, get paid to walk and stake your earnings for passive income. So yeah, guys, if you do a bit of both, if you buy a bit of the token and stake it, if you basically walk with the token, there's lots of prizes to be won with the token and Sweat Wallet. So go and hit that video right now so you can go and see what to do. It's just free money, guys. Why not is my question. So yeah, the link will be down in the description below for that video, and use my link to get into that link for SWEATCOIN. So let's get onto the crypto market cap today. So crypto market cap is sitting at 1.318 trillion. We're up 0.7% for the day. 51 billion in trading volume. Bitcoin is sitting ever so slightly above the 30K level. Ethereum is still holding nice and tight above the 2000 level. BNB is at 336. So BNB is still pretty good, but it's come down 2.4% for the day. XRP at 52 cents, Cardano at 43 cents, Dogecoin at 9.2 cents. So things have kind of just dropped a little bit today. Solana's back down to 24.35, Polkadot at 681, Litecoin at 100.5, Avalanche back at 20.79. I'm going to let Avalanche come down a little bit more, and I'm going to be scooping up some more. Shiba Inu at 1150 and Uniswap at 626. Chainlink at 842, Cosmos at 1232, and OKB at 54.48, guys. Pumping in the market. Fear and Greed Index is now 5 points above yesterday. So it's literally bouncing from one extreme to the next. And it's interesting how it bounces with more volatility in the Fear and Greed Index on the greed side. But when it's in the fear side, the fear is like really pressing down on people. So it's very interesting to see how different emotions are of the market. Well, I tell you what, with bubbles looking like this, guys, I'd be making sure that we are purchasing some of these coins, getting yourselves into the market, and making sure that we are on the way to getting into these coins. We are gonna see an explosion in altcoins coming soon, and I'll make sure I do a altcoin crypto cap video for you a little bit later today as well. So thanks very much, and make sure to hit that subscription bell, guys. So let's get onto the Dixie chart. First of all, you guys always know that I look at the Dixie, so I was looking at it on the 15. So guys, as I said to you yesterday in my videos, we would hold strong this level. So we have been holding strong. Look, we punched through my box to the purple line, and now we've hit resistance back on this purple box yet again. So if I had to take this line and draw it from the 15-minute and pull this line down, that is now officially a level of resistance. And if you go and look at it on that 1 hour, it's the same. We're overbought on I often say oversold because I'm saying it's gonna sell basically, but it's oversold, it's overbought. Okay, overbought on the 1 hour, but the 4 hour says it wants to come knock again, but we've now had resistance on this level. So this equals resistance. And if I had to draw a line from there to there to there, then that would tell us that there is a lot more resistance. Now, on the daily time frame, if I have to come and look, we're coming to the overbought period yet again on this. So the dollar is looking like it is wanting to turn, but we will see what happens in the news today, because there is, of course, news in the market today. Tomorrow is the stronger news, so make sure to just be very conscious about that. Let's go and see Bitcoin dominance quickly. Bitcoin dominance is on the 15 minutes, bouncing hard off of this level. You can see here that we had a double bottom on this level. Essentially, we broke this line, and that would be the target. Yes, essentially the previous levels. So that's on the 15-minute time frame. If we go up to the 4-hour time frame, we can see the 4-hour time frame, we're starting to look a little bit overbought now. So, and that's because there's a hard level of resistance here now. And I did say to you that we may at the very most come up to there, but this would be the level of resistance here, which is pretty much there. So let's see. We might come pull down a little bit more, but let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin chart now. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm super excited about Bitcoin today. And yeah, I mean, look at this. Boom, coming back down again. Who knows? We see now we're oversold here on the 15-minute. Okay, so we've had our sell signal. Okay, we could essentially just pull back down here, and the RSI could fiddle around there for a little while. But if we go and look at the 1 hour, we're pulling back into this zone here. So this was essentially a little bit of a fake out. And if you go and look on the 1 hour time frame, this has basically made an M pattern. So yes, the target would essentially be here. Okay. And you can see that with the box, but we're oversold again on this, on the 1 hour RSI. So we could be due for a retracement, but the previous sell said sell, but this said sell as well. And then immediately after it said a buy. So, you know, the signals, the indicators are not always that accurate, but you can see here on the 4 hours telling us we're going to sell, and this is on this level. So guys, I'm saying to you, yeah, I could see Bitcoin coming down to this level, to the 28,500 level. And we need to stay and remain above that level to ensure that we are going along. Okay, so here on the daily time frame, now today's day looks like we're pulling up. Now, often when Bitcoin hits this level and then turns here, we actually get very strong bullish action. And I showed you guys that on this video over here and here. So make sure that you go and see those videos in the link above so that you can see that for yourself. Okay, but essentially, so Bitcoin could just do a turn here. It could just hop sideways for a little bit and then pump up a little bit. But yeah, here would be my target. This is going to be my target now for Bitcoin. But do we see it go up first and then break back down, or do we see it come down? Even if we came down to this level and found support here, that would still be strong support, because then we would have a channel that we would be building here alongside with that channel, but absolutely just in this region, because that's that's the closest region. So you can see the NASDAQ pretty much the same, hasn't really done much. The S&P 500 has been creeping up ever so gently, and the total crypto market cap has now been on a ferocious sell. So let's go and see what it's looking like on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like we're wanting to return as well. We've been rejected from down and we've been rejected from up, guys. But this is pointing down, so who knows? We could just pull back a little bit and then bounce. Like, it's not that terrible, guys. I can assure you of that. Like, to wait a few days. Oh, and oil had the rejection from my zone. Let's go and look at it on the daily time frame, because yes, that's it. There's the rejection on oil, guys. Here's the sell signal on oil. Boom. Sell oil. Boom. It's time. Okay, we haven't had my sell signal yet, but the RSI is indicating to us to sell oil. Very interesting. Now gold as well is doing really interesting things. It's pretty much pulled here, and we've pulled hard on this RSI. This RSI for me, guys, looks like on the daily time frame we're getting ready to whooplash up to the top side, but on the 4-hour time frame you can see we're pulling down. We're holding this level here, guys. I must be very honest with you. We're holding this level. We've been rejected from it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, but if that is the case, that means we could potentially drop down to this green level or over here. So who knows? But the charts say it all. It has broken out here, back tested, so it could essentially pump up, and that's on the higher time frames more than anything else. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for hitting that notification bell, because you guys are going to get pumped with videos this week. So make sure you are staying tuned, because I'm going to come to you with coins that you want to be investing in, absolutely for sure, to make big cash in the next bull cycle. So remember to hit the Bybit link down below, and a lot of my other exchange links, and we'll talk about some trades and trading options as well on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.